Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make and sell printables in the positivity niche on Etsy. This is including the keyword targets you want to use. And by the way, these are buyer keywords, keywords that people are actively searching for and buying with, okay? Product types, I'm going to show you the different types of printable products you can create within this market. And towards the end of this video, I'm going to show you multiple sources where you can get done for you templates to help you expedite the process and get you up and running in no time. And if you're anything like me and have zero talent or artistic skill, you're gonna wanna do this. And I know this works because I'm a printable seller and I've been selling printables for years now on a daily basis, and I have no artistic skills. I am proud to acknowledge that. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, it helps the channel out. And watch this guide till the very end to get all the details. And also, if you want, the timestamps are down below. You know, if you want to skip to any specific part of the video, then please, by all means, do so. Okay, so here we are on Etsy. Okay, and now I have the word positivity here. And if I click on within the search bar, I have different types of extensions within this market. We have Positivity SVG, which stands for scalable vector graphics. That's a type of image that doesn't degrade if you increase it to a really big size or shrink it down. The pixel quality remains the same. We have positivity affirmations. This is more our speed. Let's copy that. Positivity affirmation. And as you can see here, positivity affirmation prints is one. We saw earlier, we saw sticker. We saw positivity stickers, okay? Now that helps me a lot. If I go to the crispy prints tool here and I put in positivity, I already did that. There's a lot of different types of positivity keywords. There's some tags we have here from Etsy, okay? And for our purposes, for the printable market, we got journals. We can definitely make a positivity journal using printables. We can also create a, this is a really good one, positivity stickers. We can create printables around this type of product where our user can access them as soon as they buy them, download them, print them on sticker paper, and stick them onto their laptop, onto the calendar. So whenever they look at the calendar or whenever they look at their laptop, they get some positivity affirmation advice going on, which is really cool. Okay, but I want to drill down, I should say, to get some more different types of keywords we can use. We got positivity affirmation cards. Now let me remove positivity and just put affirmation. We got affirmation cards for women, journals, affirmation cards for kids. That's a really cool one. Affirmation cards for Black women, affirmation stickers. And we got a ton of different Etsy keywords, not keywords, excuse me, tags that we can use for SEO purposes, on-page SEO, on-page SEO listing purposes, right here on the right, which is really cool. Okay, so that's all good. So we have now some ideas of products we can create that are positivity affirmation related. These being cards, vision board, cards, journals, and stickers, okay? Which is, again, good stuff. Now, we want to source these, either create them ourselves. You can use a free tool like Canva, or we can source these and, you know, help speed up the process so we can get these products selling quickly. One of the places I go to a lot is Fiverr. Unfortunately, I already did the search for positivity, looking for anything that comes up. And most of these are SEO related gigs or voiceover related gigs. I did find one. Let me see here. I did find this one here. Unfortunately, this is not for, I didn't find any commercial use information here. All this was about these Instagram JPEG type of graphics that you can use for your social media, but there's no information about commercial use in the buyer section here. So I don't think these are viable. Of course, you can contact this seller and see if they will allow, or you can buy the commercial rights to them. So I don't know about that, but maybe Fiverr is not the place to get these types of printable products. You can always go to Creative Fabrica. Okay, I put in affirmation positivity prints, and there I put affirmations, excuse me, and there are a ton of different graphics and printable templates you can use. A lot of them you can edit yourself or customize, which is really cool stuff. All of them come with a commercial license. I believe if you buy anything off of, please correct me if I'm wrong, if you buy something off of Creative Fabrica, you have commercial rights to them. Okay, again, correct me if I'm wrong. This is not a place I go to a lot, Creative Fabrica, that is. Okay, also, I have a bundle that I have for you. This was created by Amy Harrop. She's another printable seller like myself, and she has delved into this niche. She's created a guide for this. She's created a bundle of done-for-you templates that you can use and edit using Canva. Okay, here's one right here. I just created this. I just added this little quote: take daily tiny tasks and turn them into lifelong accomplishment. Using this background, I have the rights to. Okay, now how did I do this? Very simple. You can do this by yourself. If you don't want to get these templates, by all means, go to Canva and create one yourself. But you just create. I just click on the font. Go to text. Click on the font. You want to use a font that is open source or there's no trademark attached to it. Dancing Script is a nice one I like to use. You click on bold and you write in your quote, right? As you can see, I already added mine. Some more done for you templates that are included within this within this bundle. You also get these minimalist type of vision boards, not vision boards. These are more like quotes, positive affirmation, printable templates that you can edit and use any way you want. Here we have some vision boards. We have different types of vision boards that you can create or use. This one here, I think, would be one of the better ones because your end user can fill it out by themselves, right? You got family, love, what's this one towards the top? Career, skills, and so forth. Okay, we got, this is a really cool one, a habit tracker. Okay, now this is made for printables because we have some images here, we have some color here. If you're gonna do this with KDP, Amazon KDP, you don't want any color, especially with low content books. It just costs a lot of money on Amazon's side, which means lower royalties for you. Big tip, I would sell this as a printable. So, you know, you have this, you have these images here. You can also remove these images and put in your own images. Also, you can change the color if you want. Let's make this red. Red's too powerful here. Let's make that a blue or green. Add your own images, you know, make it up and make it so that it's uniquely yours. Okay, so that's another thing you can do. Let me see some of these other done for you printables. We have a daily planner. Again, same thing with the habit tracker. Was it a habit tracker? Yeah, same thing with the habit tracker. If you're gonna sell this on Amazon KDP and create multiple pages and create a book out of it, you're gonna want to remove the color or the images with color. You want to remove it out of this template so that you know, you can get the maximum royalty amount and not have to pay for coloring print for the color that Amazon has to use when they print it out and ship it to the customer. Besides that, I'd sell this as a printable. Again, I would change it up and make it my own and remove these different images, add different images, and make it related to the keyword that my customer used to find me. So maybe this could be a daily planner with cats in them, right? So lots of cats, cute little cats. If you need a place to find public domain or free to use images, one of the best places is Pixabay. Okay, let's put in cute cats. Put in cute cats and put in illustrations. 1 second. Let's get illustrations going here. Okay, and we have all these different types of cute kittens we can use. This one right here works fine. It has no background, which is really cool. As you can see, free for commercial use, no attribution required. You gotta love that. Okay, you can add these cats to this printable here and make it your own. Really cool stuff. And again, you want to add that selling point, that USP, unique selling point, to your printable. This is not just a daily planner printable. This is a daily planner cat printable or kawaii printable. Kawaii is a popular keyword used now. It's Japanese for cute. These cats are definitely within the kawaii realm. So there you go. Okay. Here we have a yearly planner. We have part 1 and part 2. We got quarter 1, and again with this you can write down your goals and hopefully you achieve them. This is of course within the positivity market. Okay, we got self-esteem journal, very useful, especially on KDP. If you again do it on KDP, you want to remove the color out of this. Okay, if not, sell it as is, or use your own images and sell this as a printable. Okay. Here we have a gratitude journal, very, very popular niche. You want to, with KDP, remove the images and the color and sell it there, or sell it as a printable with color, make it your own. And we have a meditation reflection printable, okay? People can write down what they're reflecting on, meditating on, and see if they achieve those goals, okay? And this is a really good one, the habit tracker. You're going to want to remove these images and use your own images like I showed you with Pixabay. And you want to use your unique images as a selling point to this specific niche. So printable habit tracker with cats, for example, right? Again, you want to make sure that there's a market for it, right? Always go to Etsy and search and try to find other types of products, similar products that are selling well, and you want to emulate, not copy. You don't want to straight up steal, but you want to emulate what they're doing so that you can do the same thing. Okay, really, really cool stuff. And that's it. Again, if you want to pick up these templates, just check out the link below. If not, let me know what you think about this tutorial. I try to give you different avenues. If you don't want to use crispy prints, or if you don't want to use Fiverr, or there's different types of places you can get all kinds of templates. Okay, so let me know what you think. Be good, take care, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.